Hey everybody, we are back with our Revit training. We started this model and you followed along with this exercise. That's great and I appreciate it. Please subscribe. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to take this and turn this to steel. So if you've been following along, you take the model, existing model. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to just grab one column here, right click. I want to select all instances in the entire project. So I've got all my columns. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to change these to steel. So let's go with this one for now, whatever the design is. And now I see that we're going to have an issue here with the ones that we have rebar in. So I'm going to just say remove reference here, delete rebar. Okay, so that's what happens if you do that. So now we've got steel here, columns. So now I've done many videos. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just remove this floor just so we can see what's going on here. Now I've shown you many ways how you can do steel framing and whatever in beams, how you place them. So I'm going to delete that. So now we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to select this one beam here. We're going to select all. And let's make these let's go at 1430. So now what we have is we've got steel here on this level. So we've basically here we have actually we got steel all the way throughout. So that's good. So now I'm going to show you something here. We're going to go to our project browser and look at our reference level. It'll be interesting. Let's just do a window tile here so we can see what's going on. Okay. We don't need that guy, and we don't need that. But actually, as you can saw, that changed within our assembly, so that'll also change. But this is going to be steel. So I kind of wanted to do this another way to show the placing connections, and that's what we'll do in the following videos. We don't need this view either. So that's how you would change this into steel. Okay, so now we're going to continue this project. It will be steel from this point up. Or we basically change this all to steel. Now these walls, I guess I don't know, I guess they can work here. And then this floor, we might want to do we'll leave this concrete, but from here, this point up, we'll go with steel. So therefore, if we go into our north elevation, so this is going to be steel here. So I think the columns might be a little heavier. We might want to use, so let's go with our, but the value and the beauty of this, we can change these columns to whatever we want. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this in steel. And then here we're going to have connections and also base plates. So, interesting. So basically that, and that's going to have to happen here. Maybe I might want to delete these walls. No, we'll leave them there. Let's just hide them. Okay, that's good. So we can kind of see what's going on here. We can see a lot. But these are not analytical walls, and they should be. But But this is what we're looking at. We want to change our model to steel. And then we're going to go in and do things like connections and base plates. So in that, we do with our, what we call our steel connections. So, but yeah, this is what, so we got a little issue here. This column should be coming up, or we need a column there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you briefly how you would change the model to steel. It's just a matter of changing the properties, and then, you know, we can go here and we can change these columns and beams to whatever we like. So, hey, you know, let's see. These were here analytical walls. So yeah, and then we can do our steel connections here. And we'll probably do that in the next video. So we can do a base plate. So we go structures, steel, and steel connection. But hey, I just wanted to show you now. We got our model going for, We've got our model here going for steel. And that's what we're gonna do in the next series of videos where we do connections, we'll do our base plates, and we'll do everything here. So, appreciate everybody for watching my videos. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to learn, please reach out to the channel. We're here. I might even want to try. I think that's another video for the base plates, but it's just basically here we use our structure and we go with our connection. That's probably going to be another video because I like to keep these short. But hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and everybody be safe and bye. Until next video, bye.